Hey YouTube, it's Sean. It's that day. It's the 17th. It's time. It's St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Alright, it's time for the Super Clean giveaway. Drawing. And we're going to do an actual drawing out of the Super Clean hat here. Right in there is where your name's going to go. Right in there. Alright, so here's all of our entries on paper. If I can get you. If you commented on the Super Clean video itself, you're in. If you commented to me on one of my other videos, I told you everybody to go to this video and enter. And everybody that's on this is in. And there y'all are. Okay, so everybody, you can go to the page and see your name, or I'm showing you here. We're going to cut you right out of this page, each person, and we're going to draw right off this, off this paper. So, I'm going to give them to Tasha over here. Hand them over, and I'm going to hand her over a pair of scissors. And we're going to cut you out, and we're going to put you in the hat. Alright, so we'll let her do that. And it's going to take a little bit, guys. There's not very many of you, so y'all got a good shot at it. Hopefully one of yous. Can use this stuff. I think you can. Once you use it, you want to buy some more. It is good stuff. She's going to cut them all out, and we're going to draw one of your names out. Yeah, good old St. Patrick's Day, huh? One of you guys can fill me in on the origin behind St. Patrick's Day. I kind of know, but I kind of don't.
Same.
So y'all show me how smart you are, and comment below on this video, and show me what I don't know.
This is ARW.
Yep, ARW. Harold said he does not want in.
So he's the only one being.
Yep, give me Harold. Alright, Harold, I got your message. There you are. He says, I already have some Super Clean. I am not entering the giveaway. It does work. Keep on keeping on. So, there's Harold, ARW. Go check his channel out. He does a lot of machining videos, a lot of fixing stuff. So go ahead and check him out. So he's not being thrown in the hat because he said he didn't want to go in there with this here entry in this giveaway. So that's just fine. But he watched my video, which is awesome. Thank you, Harold. And everybody go check Harold out. ARW is all you got to type in. You go to YouTube and just put in ARW, and you'll see the little micrometer. Red, white, and blue. He's a good old Texas boy, and I'll tell you what. He does some good videos, machining videos. He does some metal casting. All kinds of things.
We all done.
And go check out Hilltop Machine Works too. Tom, tell you what, he does some really good stuff. Alright. Let me see. You're all in the hat right there. Scrambled eggs. Alright. So I want you to close your eyes and I'll show you that they're closed. And I want you to dip in the hat, stir them around, and draw.
Okay, 2. There we go. 1.
Got one? Okay.
Yep.
Who do we got?
We got Hip Daisy,
Okay, let me see.
I think.
There's our winner. Yep. There's your winner. He builds tractors, garden tractor wagons, things, and they're really cool. So, watch this video. Get a hold of me on the About page. And you go to YouTube, go to About. It's got my email address down there. And get a hold of me. There's your winner.
Congratulations.
I should probably get some super clean for the next part wagon. Well, now you'll have some. Alright. There's your winner. Thanks for everybody entering. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye. God bless you all. Bye-bye.